Smart. Live more.
Yun ang pinaka-importante. Keep the score close. You understand? And keep the intensity up. Keep on talking. Come on. Go, go, go!
Buhay na buhay si Coach Oliver Almadro at pinipilit niyang pitikin yung pulso sa mga puso ng mga Pinoy players dahil alam niya hindi lamang determinado, kailangan ganado at higit sa lahat to overachieve. Yan ang gusto nating magawa rito. Bakit nga ba hindi? Mangangarap ka na rin lang. Bakit hindi laban sa two-time defending champions na nagwagi ng dalawang sunod na Southeast Asian Games 2011 sa Palembang, Jakarta, 2013 sa Nai Pitao in Thailand, stringing up a 4-point advantage dito sa ating unang set, 9-5.
Over-reception po sa Team Pilipinas. Again, superb serve coming from players of Thailand. At nahihirapan po tayong rumeceive sa serbisyo ng Thailand.
Serbisyong totoo ang pinapakita rito ng Thailand. Pilipinas umatake. Back set. 1 against 2. And this time, player number 7 para sa Thailand. Ang pupuntos at siyang manlalarong yan ay walang iba kundi si Kanit Silapasor. This ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Go ahead, Coach.
Player number 1, Coach Ronnie.
Player number 1,
Jirayu
Raksakayu. Yan ang leading scorer ng Thailand. 21 attack points, 7 blocks, 3 serves for a total of 31 points. Heading into the final match ng Group A in the preliminary round. Pumuntos ang Pilipinas, 6 serving 10. At yan, mga ganyang klaseng unforced errors, magiging problema ng Pilipinas laban sa isang upunan na halos bihirang magkamali.
We need a near-perfect game to compete against the defending champions. As itong si Polvorosa with an unforced error.
This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Service error ang nangyari doon para sa Pilipinas. And finally, Torres naka-atake. If we are able to receive well, then we will be able to go to our offense and look at this sequence. This ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
John Victor Guzman with that attack. Sinabi mo, Coach Sorry, reception will be key. But again, you cannot afford those service errors, especially against the defending champions. Hirap na nga tayo rumeceive ng kanyang service. Pero dating servisyo natin, dapat we should take advantage.
Matigas naman ang front line natin dito kung makaka-receive tayo ng maayos. Combination play. Looking for a check ball ang Thailand pero hindi ang Pilipinas pero hindi maibibigay. 13-7, lumalaki at lumulobo ang advante dito ng Thailand. Tignan natin kung pipindot ng timeout si Coach Oliver Almadro pretty soon. JP de Guzman umabandera kasama si Mark Espejo and of course itong si Peter Torres at Rex Intal. Baon na baon yung palaro ni John Vic de Guzman against 3, getting the 9 point or 8 point for the Philippines.
Willing the ball in as itong si John Vic de Guzman. All heart pag tumatake at that time around. Puntos mo sa Pilipinas but they are still down 5 points, 13-8.
This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. And again, Thailand scores against the two-man wall. Okay na yung serbisyo ng Pilipinas. Pero sa ating defensive wall, binasag nila. Tignan natin yung combination play. At ang pumunto sa kanila ay si Uta Wong. Maliwanag dito, Coach Oliver Almadro concerned. Why not? Thailand is inching closer towards building a double-digit lead.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Wala tayong pinapag-concentrate kung dito yung service. Dito lang tayo lumamang. Dito lang tayo lumamang.
Grand taping sa loob. Taping sa loob, boy. Kaya naman siya. Grand taping sa loob, boy.
Isang dekadang inantay bago muling makasali ang Team Pilipinas sa Southeast Asian Games. At tayo ay kasama ng ating mga national artists na nagdiriwang na muli na tayong maayos ang ating organization, ang ating NSA para mabigyan ng pahintulot makapagpadala ng isang national team. And we even hosted an international event about a month ago sa Pilipinas na kung saan nakita natin at napamalas ang husay ng mga atleta ng Pilipino. Pero nakita natin dito yung disparity sa talent level. This is a team that beat Myanmar in 3 straight sets. At tignan natin kung maididikit natin dito. It's 15-8.
At tayo naman, Coach Sonny, tinalo tayo ng Myanmar in 3 straight sets as well. So, you can see right now, Philippines just trying to compete, trying to stay close dito sa defending champions.
Yan ang kinakailangan magawa rito ng Team Pilipinas. This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. John de Guzman. Serving. Over reception para sa Thailand. At makakuha tayo ng isang magandang duelo ron.
Basta may pasok natin yung serve. Yun ang sinabi ni Coach Oliver in that timeout. The emphasis of putting in the serve para na magkaroon tayo ng chance makapuntos.
Yan ang unang bala ng opensa ng Pilipinas. John de Guzman, very explosive, very consistent. Difficult back set. Excellent. Dig coming from our libero, Montero, pero dumausdos yung atake ni de Guzman from the back line. Just like that, second technical timeout, Thailand up by 6, 16 versus 10.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
I know you're watching over us.
Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Life's too short to miss out on the possibilities. Go for the bigger waves. Reach new destinations. Conquer greater heights. Are you up for it? When life calls, it's game on. Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Ngayong PBA Super Bowl Sunday, sa first game, Chia Carnival versus Global Port Batangtier, 3 p.m. At sa second game, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel versus Miracle Boats, 5:15 p.m. The 2015 PLDT Home Devolution PBA Governors Cup, Sunday, live on TV5, simulcast sa Radyo 5 90.3 News FM.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
As of 9 a.m. ngayong umaga ng linggo, ito po ang talaan sa medal tally sa ating mga karapit triyon dito sa Southeast Asia. This medal tally is brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, high power at a low price.
24 golds still for the Philippines as of June 14. 7 na umaga po. Yung silver medals na nadagdagan po kahapon.
Wala tayo na pong ginto kahapon.
Wala. Pero yung silver sa men's doubles, nagkaroon po tayo ng silver.
Si
sa
Ruben
tennis.
Gonzalez at si Jason Patrombon tinalo ng kambal.
Taga-Thailand din.
Mula sa Thailand.
Thailand din.
At alam mo, yung karera sa overall winner ng Southeast Asian Games ay sa dalawang nasyon na lang, ang Singapore at ang Thailand. Maagang pumoste ang Singapore, kumayad ang Thailand, inagaw muli ng Singapore. Ang Thailand naman ngayon, sa mga gold medal sa tennis, ay muling umabante. Laban dito sa Singapore at couple of days left. Sa 28 Southeast Asian Games, attack error para dito kay Jirayu. At pumuntos ang Pilipinas after the second technical timeout rather. 11 will be serving 16.
A better offensive set that time around for Team Philippines as we get a point, 11 to 16, still a 5-point deficit.
This Rex Intal service brought to you by Smart. Live more. 3 service errors for Team Pilipinas.
And 3 free points to the defending champions. Hirap na po tayong receive ng service ng defending champions and we cannot afford to give points. 3 points na ang binigay natin because of our service errors.
Napakamot dun si Coach Oliver Almadro sa isa na namang service error. Excellent setup. Makita mo rito, merong misdirection. Pumeke at sabay nagbigay ng isang quick. Tingnan natin yan. Ayan, no? Running hit coming from Peter Torres. This ultra fast flag is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Babasagin mo muna yung pader sa net defense. Espejo with a bullet. 1 against 3. Sinalba rito ng Team Pilipinas. Chance ball. Itutulak ni John Vic de Guzman. From the back line. Exploding but not connecting. 2 straight points. Or rather 2 points. Tama. 2 puntos after the second technical timeout para sa Pilipinas.
Giving life to Team Philippines. That attack wide as a point given to Team Philippines. Momentum really shifting right now. 2 straight points. Tingnan po natin kung tuloy-tuloy po ang laban natin.
Our floor defense and net defense has to be excellent. And this time, binayo ni Jirayu against 2, making sure that that short return was really going to be a bullet and difficult to retrieve. And this Jirayu serve is brought to you by Smart. Live more. Oh, buhay pa. Pareha with that attack. Nice drop shot. Pancake attempted by Team Pilipinas. Subalit tatalbog na yung bola sa sahig. 19-13 for Thailand here in the first set. Nakita mo yung pasang Coach Abby.
Adjustment and off-time attack.
Off-speed.
Off-speed attack from Thailand as a 6-point lead na naman po. 19-13. Thailand still up.
And again, the power of Jirayu getting that ball in. Pareha against 2. Looking for a check ball and he will be given that point. Very smart attack coming from Pareha.
And we have adjusted well here in the first set. It's just a matter of serving well, Coach Ronnie, because we cannot afford giving free points to the defending champions.
Hindi mo masusukat yung equivalent ng karanasan na nakuha ng Team Pilipinas dito. Coach Oliver Almadro calling that outside, calling that line call on Thailand. Sabi niya outside. Sabi ng ating mga umpires, outside. Down by 7 earlier, now only behind by 4. Markado yung outside hitter. Laban sa dalawa pero pumuntos pa rin. Itong kupunan ng Thailand.
Grabe yung angulo nun.
Oo, si
cross-court attack. Cross-court attack, Coach Ron, because knowing that down the line was covered went cross-court and point given to Thailand.
This ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. At pinalikan naman ni John Vic de Guzman ng isang matindi. Going deep. Kanina pumuntos Kitinon Namkunton for Thailand.
And Coach Oliver egging on his troops. At 4-point lead service naman papunta sa Team Philippines.
Kumukuha ng rest back si Coach Oliver Almadro pero isang dump galing dito sa mahusay na setter niya si Saranchit. And just like that,
completely fooling the defense of Team Philippines. Was not expecting that surprise dump by Thailand. 5-point lead just like that, 21-16.
Ito na si Kitinon Nancontod na siyang nagbigay ng importanteng puntos kanina. Nice drop coming from De Guzman. A little hang time. Binababa yung depensa bago pumalo. 4. Tangkang kainin dito ng Team Pilipinas.
Good adjustment by De Guzman that time around with that off-speed dump. As a point given to Team Philippines. 4-point lead. Laban lang, Pilipinas.
Ang ganda ng frontline dito ng Pilipinas. Nakita mo, De Guzman, Intal, Espejo. Excellent serve. With Coach Oliver.
And that coach forces, number 1 fan of Team Philippines right now.
That forces the hand of Coach Monchay to call timeout as the Philippines has threatened. Down by only 3 points at 21-18.